Hi, I'm Abigail Steinberg, and I am the creator of the OG. And the OG is a vinaigrette, but it's also a marinade. And there's so many recipes we can make with the OG. So let's start with mushrooms. Did you know that you can fool people who like meat, and you can marinate shiitake mushrooms and give that experience? But as a vegetarian vegan, I love to have those savory experiences, and you can. So why don't we take your mushrooms? We take some of the OG orange ginger vinaigrette with a little sesame, and we pour it on your mushrooms, just like that. Now, I will mix them up. See that? Now, you want to hear an easy way to do this? It's called the air fryer. You know, a lot of people are afraid of air fryers, and I understand. Like, at first I'd be like, air fryer, it sounds like I'm frying some stuff in the middle of the air. No, you're not frying anything in the middle of the air. You're actually frying on what is this little pan. See? The pan lifts up and gives you a little space so that the oil goes down. And what that means is you'll get less of an oily experience and more of a crispy experience. So now we just let it all go down there, like that. That's what it's gonna look like, okay? You can always add a little pepper and salt, whatever you feel like having. I like a little spice, I like a little of that. And then you stick it in your air fryer. I'm gonna put it at 20 minutes. But what I suggest is maybe we'll return to this in 5 minutes and do a quick little stir. Hi, so the mushrooms have been cooking in the air fryer, so let's just check how they're doing. Oh yeah, you see that? You can always stop there, right? Like, this is like a really nice marinated vegetables. If you like them just nice, soft, let's go there. But I like it when they get crispy. Do you like mushroom chips? The OG is perfect for mushroom chips. Okay, so we're gonna make some mushroom chips, and you're gonna see what it looks like in about 10 minutes from now. I'm gonna pull these out, and you're gonna have mushroom chips. See you then. Hey. Well, you remember we were making those mushrooms? Oh my gosh, the crispy mushrooms. Well, they're ready. Oh my gosh, okay, let's try them out. Crispy mushrooms. What I did is I just took some of the OG and I put it on these mushrooms and marinated them. As you saw before, we put it in the air fryer for 20 minutes. This is what they look like. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm not a mushroom fan, not at all. But this is the one thing that made me a mushroom fan. And I honestly am so picky, but the OG gives you that crunchy mushroom.